In Africa there was a beautiful river. By the river there were lots of tall trees and lots of green grass. In the river lived a little crocodile called Mamba. One day when Mamba was swimming down the river, she saw a fish. Snip went Mamba at the fish. Then Mamba saw a frog. Snap went Mamba at the frog. Then Mamba saw a bird. Snip, snap, snip went Mamba at the bird. Don't do that, Mamba, said Mum and Dad Crocodile. That is the crocodile bird. He is our friend. You must not do that to the crocodile bird. But I could eat up that bird in one snap, said Mamba. No, you must not do that, Mamba, said Mum Crocodile. Look at your dad. He will show you what to do. Mamba looked at Dad Crocodile. She saw him open his big mouth. The crocodile bird flew in. Dad is eating the crocodile bird, said Mamba. No, he isn't, said Mum. Look again. Then Mamba saw what the bird was doing. It was eating all the bits of food on Dad's crocodile teeth. Dad Crocodile didn't eat the bird because he wanted to have clean teeth. Thank you, Crocodile Bird, he said. Now, Mamba, look at your mum. Mamba looked at Mum Crocodile. He saw her open her big mouth. The crocodile bird flew in and cleaned her teeth. Thank you, Crocodile Bird, said Mum. Now you open your mouth, said Mum Crocodile to Mamba. So Mamba opened her big mouth, but when the bird flew in, she shut her mouth with a snap. Mamba, open your mouth now, said Mum Crocodile. Mamba opened her mouth and the crocodile bird flew out as fast as it could. I don't want clean teeth, said Mamba, and I don't want the crocodile bird as my friend. Then one day Mamba saw a giraffe by the river. How are you, Mamba? Asked the giraffe. Ooh, said Mamba. My teeth hurt. Then clean them in the river, said Giraffe. Mamba tried, but her teeth went on hurting. Mamba went on down the river. Next she saw a hippo in the water. How are you, Mamba? Asked the hippo. Ooh, said Mamba, my teeth hurt. Then clean them with a stick, said Hippo. Mamba tried, but her teeth went on hurting. Mamba went on down the river. Then she saw a cheetah on the bank. How are you, Mamba? Asked the cheetah. Ooh, said Mamba, my teeth hurt. Then clean them on a log, said Cheetah. Mamba tried, but her teeth went on hurting. Mamba went on down the river. She tried to forget about her teeth, but she could not. They hurt too much. Then she saw the crocodile bird up in the tree. How are you, Mamba? Asked the bird. Ooh, said Mamba, my teeth hurt. The crocodile bird flew down from the tree. I'll clean your teeth, said the bird, but please don't eat me. No, I won't eat you, said Mamba. So she opened her mouth and the crocodile bird flew in. The crocodile bird ran all over Mamba's teeth and gave them a good clean. Mamba's teeth stopped hurting. "Thank you," said Mamba. "Now I see why you are called the crocodile bird." And from that day on, Mamba and the crocodile bird were very good friends.